Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Job Science. Once again, I'm here with you with all new and latest jobs, and all of them from Kuwait and local jobs as well. And only those people can apply for these jobs who are living in Kuwait and living in Kuwait these days for job purposes and want to change their job or are jobless. And Kuwait nationals can apply for these jobs. Let's share with you the today's job list. Urgent job for salesman, light vehicle drivers with or without car or bike. Vacancy for receptionist, Indian cook and helper. Cook needed in Kuwait. Kitchen cleaner required in Kuwait. Cooking helper wanted in Kuwait. Cooking job in Kuwait. Manual transmission delivery drivers required. Part-time, full-time cleaners required. Restaurant cleaner and helper required. This is my job list today, and I'm going to share the details with you. But before sharing the details, I want to tell you that if you're visiting my channel for the first time, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and hit the bell icon as well, and select all for the latest updates. I thank you all. So let's start with the details. Urgent job for salesman. Place for Vania looking for a salesman in a mini supermarket. So they need a salesman, which are for a supermarket. Working time means the hours. 8 hours are for the job time, and the salary is 180 KD. Must be fluent in English speaking nationality, Indian, Nepal, and Bangladesh. Means they are interested in only these three nationalities. So, but the salary is 180 KD, and the person should be fluent in English, and working hours are 8 hours per day. And for further details, if you want to apply, you are interested in the job, so you can contact them through this given number, and you can share your CV as well. Then light vehicle drivers with or without car or bike. So the place is Kuwait. Once again, a well-reputed company is looking for drivers with or without car or bike. And for the further details, they have mentioned this thing that they didn't mention any other point about the job, the salaries, the benefits. They didn't discuss anything in this ad, and they just said this, that all of the details will be provided at the office. Means you need to go or you can call them, or you can WhatsApp your CV to them and get the further details. Otherwise, they didn't give us any information regarding the job. But the job is for drivers, and it can be with car or without car or bike as well. Then the next job is vacancy for receptionist, Indian cook and helper. Once again, the job, there are three jobs by the way. One is receptionist, other is cook, and then helper. The place is Salmia, a leading multi-cuisine restaurant, have following vacancies. Receptionist, that is going to manage all of the restaurant. Then Indian cook, they need an Indian cook, and a helper as well. So if you are interested and you have any experience regarding the options regarding the vacancies, so you can contact them at the given number, and you can also get the further details about the jobs. Then cook needed in Kuwait. Place is West Abu Fatira. We need cook who knows how to cook Kuwaiti food, and visa should be 18 or 20, and they are going to provide you food and accommodation for the if you are selecting as the cook there. So for further details, you can call them at the given number, and you can share your CV at the following number. Then kitchen cleaner required in Kuwait. We need for a restaurant. By the way, this job is once again for a restaurant. So they need 2 drivers, 2 cleaners, 2 helpers for cooking. All of them must have visa 18 or 20, and the thing which they are going to provide you as their the labor law there. This is food and accommodation is available for the employees. So 2 drivers, 2 cleaners, and 2 helpers means there are some jobs, almost 6 jobs, and all of them are the jobs anyone can do them. So if someone is jobless, so it's a better option to have something than nothing. So it's a good option. You can go, you can apply for these jobs if you have visa 18 or 20 and you are looking for the job as well. Cooking helper wanted in Kuwait. Then place is West Abu Fatira. We need a cooking helper, two in number, cashier one, and for restaurant with 18 or 20, room food accommodation is available. So once again, in a restaurant, they need cooking helper, two helpers. They need two helpers and one cashier as well. And but the thing is, visa should be 18 or 20. What they are going to provide you is food and accommodation. So if you are interested, call them at the following given number for the further details and for if you are interested in applying. Then cook job in Kuwait. Once again, the place is the same. Job available for Khadim ladies. She knows Kuwaiti food cooking. Once again, the job of cook, but this time for the ladies. The job is full time. So if anyone is interested, so call me. By the way, the person who has given that ad advertisement. By the way, and so there is a number at the end. Please call them and get further details. And if you are interested, you can apply there as well. Then manual transmission delivery drivers. The job is of for drivers. Manual transmission delivery drivers required. Salary KWD 250. KWD 250 salary. They have mentioned this salary. And then local visa. Visa should be 18 and 20. Job information. Position van driver. So they have given you a detailed picture of the job. So first of all, they have mentioned the position is of van driver, then industry, warehouse, courier delivery. They need drivers, the vans, and the company is courier based. By the way, they have to deliver the posts to place. Then working hours, 6 hours from 6 p.m. From 6 p.m., 6 days, Friday is off. Car, petrol, mobile will be provided by the company. Required qualifications, at least 1 year of experience in manual van driving experience. So the person should have an experience of manual driving and can drive manual gear, good English communication, and customer service oriented. And further details what they want to have in that driver, they want to the person should have command over driving a manual van, and he has a good command on English and customer service oriented, so he can deal the customer in a good way. Then a joining date, they want a person who is available right now and who can join them on an immediate basis. So available gender visa is for male. The job is only for males. Available nationality, Indian, Filipinos, Bangladeshis, Sri Lankans, and Pakistani. Any nationality can apply for the job, and candidate should be Kuwaiti resident. Means the person should be in Kuwait. I have already told you this, or that all of the jobs are local jobs. This in this line indicating you that this is a local job. Then age range below 45. The person who is going to apply for the job should be below 45 years of age, and required license, valid Kuwait driving license. Obviously the job is for the driver, so they must have the driving license. Passport required to keep in office, and you need to give them your passport to them, and package information as well. Confirm 60 orders daily for one area only, and you need to deliver 60 orders per day as your duties of 6 hours only. Basic salary is 250 KD. After every 40 orders, 0.250 fills commission. So they are giving you the commission as well on completing your 40 orders, and the commission would be equal to 0.250 fills. If work on Fridays, if you are willing on Friday, by the way, Friday is off for the van drivers, but if you are working on Friday, then 10 KD each Friday they will pay you. And annual paid leaves, this is very important and this is very interesting as well. Annual paid leaves would be 30 days. And how to apply them? Interested candidates who match the above need can contact us on the following number. So they have given you a number. You can call them. You can WhatsApp your CV at the number. And by calling them, you can take the further details if you are interested. Then part-time, full-time cleaners required. Place Ardia. We are looking for a cleaner for part-time, full-time for our kitchen. They need the cleaners for part-time and full-time jobs. Duty hours can be daytime, male candidates only, and they need male cleaners only. The job is for male cleaners only, and obviously other things are obvious that the visa should be 18, 18 or 20. The food and accommodation is given by the company. This is the part of the jobs there in Kuwait and all other Middle East countries. So if you are interested, there is a number below. You can call them, you can share your CV if you are interested and get the further details. Then restaurant cleaner helper required. Place is the same. Ardia looking for restaurant kitchen cleaner and helper. Only males can apply. Salary is 150 KD. Duty hours 11 hours. Benefits accommodation, transportation, and duty meal provided by the company. You can call them or WhatsApp them. WhatsApp your CV at the following given number. Accommodation, transportation, and duty meal by the time of the meal by during the duty can be provided by the company, and salary would be 150 KD. And if you are interested, so call them and get the further details and share your CV as well. And okay, that was my last job for today. I'm hoping that there must be something for you as well. इंशाल्लाह ताला फिर मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज.